Hello and welcome to this abstract reasoning tutorial. My name is Matthew and in this video I'll be going through 3 common abstract reasoning questions. Before I go through each of the questions, I'll be setting a 20-second timer so that you can have a go at the questions yourself. And then once the timer runs out, I'll go through how to get the correct answer. All of the questions that I'll be going over will look similar to this one. To answer these questions, you need to be able to spot the pattern that the series follows, and then you'll be able to work out what the next figure will look like. So give this question a go yourself, and once the timer's up, I'll go through it. Okay, so to answer this question, there are 2 rules that you need to be able to spot. The first is that the number of black arrows alternates between 2 and 3. So we know that in the next figure there should only be 2 black arrows. So we can rule out B and D. And the second rule is that the position of the arrow pointing towards the middle moves in an anti-clockwise direction. So in the first figure it's in the bottom left, then it moves to the bottom right, then to the top right, and then to the top left. So we know that in the next figure the arrow pointing towards the middle should be in the bottom left, meaning that the correct answer is C. Now on to the next question. Again, I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this question only has one rule, which is that the number of intersections increases by 1. So in the first figure, there's a total of 2 intersections, in the next there are 3, and then there are 4, and then in the last there are 5. So we can work out that in the next figure there should be a total of 6 intersections. C is the only option with 6 intersections, making C the correct answer. Now let's get on to the last question. And again, I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this question has 3 rules. The first is that the number of circles increases by 1. So in the next figure there should be a total of 6 circles. So we can rule out A. And the second rule is that the black shape moves in a clockwise direction. So we can work out that in the next figure the black shape should be here in the bottom left. So we can rule out C. And the third rule is that all of the shapes move 1 space in an anti-clockwise direction. So if you just follow the square, we can work out that in the next figure, the square should be here in the bottom right, meaning that D is the correct answer. So those are all of the questions that I have for you in this video. I hope that they helped you, and if they did, please like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.